Hey guys, Jimmy Watson. Today I'm doing balisong unboxing. This came in the mail. These are the rest of my balisongs. Just gonna put those over there. Don't know why I put them so close. And yeah, it pretty much just came in this, covered in cheap foam pretty much, and this was in the bag. Whoa, a little sticky. Oh, and very light too. Oh, whoa. It is a nice feeling. Sounds really nice. I think you know that company. Titanium liners, G10 scales, anode, spring latch, either polymer or G10 spacers, and it has Loctite hardware. You see the Zen pins right there. There's nipple. That is chamfered off. The spine is chamfered, so that's nice. It is a recurve blade. Dude, it feels so weird. I don't know. Super sticky. Yeah, I gotta lube it up. Handle play, non-existent. Those are little divots for the Zen pins. Not as sharp as you think, but